Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to edit a post on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your Facebook account. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, just beside the notification bell, you can see your profile picture icon with the hamburger icon on it. Tap on it. Now, under Menu, simply tap on your name. With that, you will be led to your Facebook profile. Now, in order to edit your post, scroll down below and find the post you wish to edit. For instance, this is the post that I want to edit. Now, at the right-hand corner, you'll see three dots. Tap on it. Over here, you can see various options. You'll see the option of Edit Post. Let's tap on it. Now over here, you could edit your post according to your preferences. You could add additional pictures, tag people, add how you're feeling about the post, and even other various edits you wish to do. So let's edit the post. Here we go. Now, after you have edited your post, you can also change the privacy of your post. Now, let's keep it to public. Then tap on the option of Done. After that, make sure you tap on the option of Save at the top right corner of your screen. Let's wait for some time, and you can see that my post has successfully been edited. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.